Dear students, take another question. Question number 14. Given that sum of first three terms of a GP is 16 and sum of next three terms is 128. Here you cannot assume first three terms as A by R, A and AR, because product of terms is not given. If product of terms are given, then you will use A by R, A and AR. Solution: let first term be a common ratio BR, then according to question, A plus AR plus AR square, sum of first three terms is equal to 16. This implies it become common. 1 plus R square is equal to 16, equation 1. Also given that sum of next three terms is 128, that is AR cube plus AR 4 plus AR power 5 is equal to 128. This implies AR cube become common. 1 plus R square is equal to 128, equation 2. Divide equation 2 by 1. 1 plus R square become cancelled. A to A become cancelled. Remains R cube is equal to 128 upon 16 is equal to 8. Implies R is equal to 2. R cube equal to 8. R is equal to 2. Now put the value of R is equal to 2 in equation 1. 1 implies A into 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 16. This implies A is equal to 16 upon 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1. 7. 7 is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 by 7. Now you can find easily Sn. Sn is equal to, here value of R is greater than 1. So therefore Sn is equal to A R power n minus 1 upon R minus 1 is equal to 16 by 7 2 power n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1, that is 1, is equal to 16 by 7 2 power n minus 1. This is Sn. Thank you. Take another question. Question number 18. Find sum of n terms of the sequence find Sn if GP is 8, 88, 888 and so on. Sn is equal to 8 plus 88 plus 888 plus and so on. In, as you know that 88 can be written as 8 into 11 and 888 can be written as 8 into 100 111. In such type of questions where one digit again append at the end, take if this digit is 9, then proceed as such. If not 9, take that digit common and it reduces to 1 plus 11, 111, 1111 plus so on. Now multiply and divide the same by 9. 9 plus 99 plus 999 and so on. Now convert 9 into 10 is equal to 8 by 9 into 10 minus 1 plus 99 means 10 power 2 minus 1. 100 minus 1. 999 means 10 power 3, 1000 minus 1 plus 10 power 4 minus 1 and so on is equal to 8 by 9 into, in first term 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3. In nth term it will be 10 power n. If we select n terms, then in each term 1 is subtracted. If you subtract 1 n times, it means subtract n. This become equal to 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus 10 power n minus n. You have subtracted 1 n times is equal to 8 by 9 into, this is a GP with first term 10, common ratio also 10. 10 is multiplied again and again. First term 10, common ratio 10, number of term is n, 10 power 1 to 10 power n. So this will be 10 into 10 power n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1 minus n. A r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1 is equal to 8 by 9 into 10 into 10 power n minus 1 upon 9 minus n. This is your answer. If same question is given in another form, that is, find Sn if GP is given as 0.8, 0.88, 0.888, 0.48 and so on, then Sn will be Sn will be 0.8, 0.88, 0.888 and so on. Again take 8 common, it becomes 0.1, 0.11, 0.111 and so on. Again multiply and divide by 9, it becomes 0.9, 0.99, 0.999 and so on. This become equal to 10 minus 1. This become 1 minus 0.1 plus 1 minus 0.01 plus 1 minus 0.001 and so on. This can be written as 8 by 9 into 1 minus 1 by 10 plus 1 minus 1 by 10 square plus 1 minus 1 by 10 cube and so on. This become 8 by 9 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times become n minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10 square minus 1 by 10 cube and so on. Take minus sign common, then it become all plus. One by 10 power n. Now this is again GP with first term 1 by 10. Common ratio also equal to 1 by 10. Number of term is n. 10 power 1 to 10 power n. This become equal to 8 by 9 into n minus, here value of r is less than 1. Use second formula. 1 by 10 into 1 minus 1 by 10 power n upon 1 minus 1 by 10. A 1 minus r power n upon 1 minus r is equal to 8 by 9 into n minus, this become 9, 10 minus 1, 9 by 10, 1 by 10 into 1 minus 1 upon 10 power n upon 9 by 10. Simplify this, you will get answer.